Go.
Naimbag nga adlaw kada tayo amin, a pleasant and blessed day to all. Joining the modelong kabataan ng Pilipinas really gives us the opportunity to present and to prove ourselves that we are also young role model of this generation. Way back then, I was not a part of the kabataan ng San Roque, but I always observed the hardworking people in the organization. I always saw them conducting monthly community services such as cleaning the streets and creeks, having feeding programs and immersions, spearheading leadership seminars, team buildings, sports festivals, not just basketball and volleyball, but other type of sports where the young people had the opportunity to show their skills in their favorite sports. And the most exciting for me was the laro ng lahi or the traditional old games. Yearly, tree planting activity is also a priority, giving us the adventurous experience like mountain, trekking, and hiking. The goal of the Sangguniang Kabataan of San Roque is to change your perspective to become more responsible in the talk of socio-political aspects. You are part, and you are part. That are the words coming from the mouth of our SK chairperson. And every time that he speaks, persuading us to involve ourselves to the advocacies that they imparting. Because of their untiring dedication, they always encourage the young ones to be with them. Without any reservation, I volunteered myself to join them for I was inspired by them. I am proud to say the Kabataan ng San Roque is a very welcoming youth organization. They didn't make me feel like I'm out of place. When the first time I joined them, before, I only knew some young people in our barangay, but joining them challenged me to be more friendly and sociable. It helps me to gain more friends. Before, I was lazy doing youth activities, but now I am willing to wake up for me to join the life-changing activities and programs of our council. Being with the team changed me to become a better version of myself. Leadership is a character not just applied to the skate chairperson, but in every member of the group, because the organization taught us to not just become a member, but to lead the society with a humble heart. Well, our group will not only help you to be more active, but it will make you realize a lot of things. As a youth, you will never be satisfied when your kabataan life is only about social media or parties, because you will only be satisfied when you know to yourself that you did your part as a youth by helping others, your barangay, and our Mother Earth. These are my realizations when I joined this group. They will make you realize that as a youth, you have a lot to fulfill. As what Dr. Jose Rizal says, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. I am sure we have shown that we should be the hope of our country and to the next generations. And I think it is more than enough reason why we should win the modelong kabataan ng Pilipinas. Our actions are very louder to prove that. Gracias. This is Barangay San Roque from Luzon, modelong kabataan ng Pilipinas, Year 1 Grand Finalist, and we are pure and authentically strong.